Hello, this is Sudharshan, and in this episode PH 1.30 part 3, we will talk about class 3 antiarrhythmics. Those are the potassium channel blockers. So the drugs in this class, we have amiodarone, dronedarone, dofetilide, ibutilide and sotalol. And amiodarone is the most important drug in the class 3. So amiodarone, so basically it is an iodine containing compound, and obviously it is an antiarrhythmic, and with the mechanism of action, as I said, it blocks the potassium channels, which is the phase the phase 3 and phase 4 of depolarization, mostly the phase 4 itself. So mainly it is known to decrease the SAN, sinoatrial node, and AVN, atrioventricular nodal conduction in the heart. And with respect to the side effects, it mainly causes heart blocks, paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardias, then it causes neuropathy, pulmonary fibrosis, bluish or grey colored skin deposits, hypopigmentation of the skin, photosensitivity, corneal deposits, GI disturbances, and thyroid disorders. As I said in the starting, it has a very similar structure compared to iodine, so it will cause the thyroid disorders. And amiodarone is considered a dirty drug because the side effect profile is very high. So I can say that this drug has a low therapeutic index. That is why in clinical settings it is not commonly preferred. Instead, dronedarone is another drug that can be preferred. And with the drug interactions, amiodarone will interact with the calcium channel blockers, and also with the first class 1 antiarrhythmics and oral anticoagulants like warfarin. And other drugs, as I already told, dofetilide, ibutilide and sotalol. So that was with the class 3 antiarrhythmic drugs. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next lesson.